Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kind of a makeup review tutorial thing. I'm going to be telling you about this amazing contour brush that I use to put my foundation on. It's by WetNWild, and last year is the first time I started using it after Christmas because I got one for Christmas. My family picked it up at Walmart. It was $2.37. Don't quote me on it. And then I used the brush so much because I love it that I lost it. And then, so I went to the dollar store and I found them for only $1. So I picked up 2 or 3 of them because I'm so in love with this contour brush by WetNWild. It's not hard at all. It doesn't have hard bristles or at all. It's pretty soft. And I don't know about you ladies, but the best part of my day is when I get to use this brush. I don't know if you think that's weird or whatever, but that is the best part of my day because I love it. It is soft. It just, I don't know, it makes me feel good. I feel pretty when I use it. But I highly recommend, ladies, that you go pick this brush up. You can probably pick it up at, well, I know you can pick it up at Walmart. They have them at Winco. I don't know about every dollar store, but where I live at the dollar store, they had them. So, but I'm so in love with this brush. When I first started it, it was white and pink, and I opened a new one today and I used it, and this is what it looks like. So it's going to be well loved. I highly recommend this product that you go pick it up. I use the liquid foundation, the powdered foundation, and yeah, the liquid and the powder on it, on the brush, and it seems to work very well. So I'm so in love with this product. I highly recommend it to any ladies, and I don't know if you can tell, but my face is different. It is a different color. There is a glare from the light behind me because there's a mirror behind me. I'm in my bathroom, but the holidays are coming, so ladies, I would put this on your Christmas list. You won't regret it. You will be so in love with it. You will want to go pick it up at the store again when it wears out, or if you lose it or whatever, or you just want a new one. You will want to go pick it up. So ladies, here it is, the WetNWild contour brush. Yeah, go pick it up. This is what the packaging looks like. It says contour brush, clarify free, gluten free, vegan free. I never knew that until I read it now. So ladies, this brush is amazing. Go pick it up. Like, it is amazing, and it's not very expensive. Like most brushes are some brushes are like 50, 60, it can go really high. This one is amazing. Like I said, it is by WetNWild. It is cheap. Go pick it up. I am so in love with this product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.